Time stretching. Can you time stretch with the Maschine and the Maschine Plus? Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Check this out. This is one way how to do it. There are many ways, and this is just one.
Check this out.
People say that there's no time stretching in this, where you can't individually stretch. Well, you can. Here's one way that you can do it. Let me stop this sample right here. Here's how you can individually do it. All right. The shift button, like any computer, if you hit the control or the shift button on the keypad of your regular computer, it's going to give you some additional functionality. So in this case, what we're going to do here is we're going to hold shift. And when we hold shift, whatever sample we're on, if we plug in or if we're in pad mode, it's going to be in plug-in. Plug-in button, going to go to whatever sound that you're on. And then if you want to individually change the pitch of that sound, hit that pad, right? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to hold shift, but you're going to make sure that you're in pitch mode, where it says pitch gate, right? You hold down shift, and then you can incrementally, or bit by bit, you can move the pitch value, okay? So here's my sample. And I'm going to slowly, bit by bit, begin to move the pitch value. All right, so if you see here, it says 3.78. If I take this and turn this, I'm holding the shift button. See how we're degrading? Now watch, we're going to change the pitch of the sample. Now if I this up just by a little bit, like that, holding shift, turning this dial. Now, when you do it this way, you're going to have to use your ear, okay? So doing it this way allows you to use your ear so that you can hear the tempo change. You can say, oh, that matches, but you can move it in increments by holding the shift button and turning your dial for the pitch. See this pitch gate? If I hit back, you have voice, pitch gate. Right. But let's say you wanted to do this for all the pads. You just got your sample together. You got it chopped. You want to match the tempo, and you say, okay, I figured out what tempo is. So hit select all. Okay. Got to be careful with this as well. Hit select and all. So we're going to change the pitch of all the pads incrementally. Okay. So here's what we want to do. Plug in, take us back here, hold shift, and I'm going to take the pitch down like so. Right? I'm going to take it down to 3.25. Got it down to 3.25. After it's down to 3.25, then this is what I'm going to show you. Now, play all of our samples. All right. So now everything is still all, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put hold shift, everything back up to 4 where I had it. 4. See that? So that's a way that you can pitch it, but you just got to remember to hit select, go back in, and none, in case you want to make individual changes back again. And this is the beauty of Maschine Plus. Just like any other computer, hit shift, right? I don't want to talk about the overglorified iPad. All right. And you like content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications for more content and updates when I upload again. All right, everybody. This is daysuncivil. Peace.